Vikings, get ready to see Berk in a whole new way.
Is there a picture here?
Toothless, are those wing gliders here already? I'm still working on a launcher. I almost forgot the wings. For a wing glider, that is clearly the most important part. When you fly like this, you'll see Berk better than any dragon bird. Then, with that all Toothless, you know a wing glider? Good news is you all get to see a chronicle nest up close. Bad news is chronicle eggs explode when they hatch. Looks like there's a way out up ahead. And now you're trapped in the exploding chronicle nest. And this can't end worse. Yeah, it's worse. It's officially worse. Turn off!